Discover the power of common sense investing. Hello, and thank you for returning to our book recommendations channel. For all of you out there who are interested in making investments, today we have a fantastic recommendation for you. Get ready to plunge into The Little Book on Common Sense Investing, written by John C. Bogle. The Little Book on Common Sense Investing. Bogle imparts his ageless knowledge on the subject of investing into this gem of a book, delivering priceless insights and helpful guidance that will assist you in navigating the treacherous landscape of the global financial system. Chapter 1. The Simple Rules of Investing. In Chapter 1, we lay the groundwork for profitable investment by outlining a few basic guidelines that may be followed by everyone. It highlights the significance of maintaining low expenses, diversifying investments, and maintaining a focus on the long term. Bogle encourages investors to avoid the trap of thinking just in the short term and to remain patient despite the ups and downs of the market. He points out that steady, patient investment over the course of time can result in significant wealth growth. The takeaway from Bogle's work is crystal clear: investing doesn't have to be difficult. You may put yourself in a position to be successful over the long term by adhering to these few basic guidelines. Chapter 2. The Magic of Index Funds. Bogle enlightens us on the enchantment of index funds in Chapter 2 of his book. He illustrates how these funds offer broad market exposure, steady returns, and minimal costs all at the same time. Bogle also highlights the steady returns that index funds tend to deliver over time, arguing that this makes them a reliable and effective investment option for people who are looking for long-term financial success. You can take advantage of the market's overall development by investing in index funds, which allow you to do so without the need to constantly monitor your investments or strive to outperform the market as a whole. Chapter 3. Building Wealth Gradually. The ability to accumulate money over time by investing in a methodical and disciplined manner is explored in greater depth in Chapter 3. Bogle stresses the significance of maintaining regular contributions and avoiding the practice of market timing. Bogle emphasizes the importance of consistent donations, noting that even contributions of tiny sums can have a major impact on the building of wealth over time. In addition, the author cautions readers against engaging in market timing, which refers to the process of attempting to forecast short-term shifts in market prices. Bogle advises readers to have a long-term perspective and to avoid making rash judgments based on changes in the market by urging them to adopt this perspective. Investors can improve their odds of achieving financial success by concentrating on long-term objectives and adhering to a disciplined investment approach. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Bogle emphasizes the point that it is pointless to attempt to precisely forecast short-term market fluctuations, because it is practically impossible to regularly timing the market correctly. Instead, he places an emphasis on the significance of being an investor with a long-term horizon, and understanding the power of gains that compound over time. Chapter 4. Stepping Stones to Wealth. The fourth chapter of Bogle's book is titled, The Different Stepping Stones to Wealth. In this chapter, Bogle offers advice on how to allocate assets and manage risk. Bogle advises investors to think in terms of the long term, diversify their portfolios, and modify their investments in accordance with the level of risk they are willing to take and the goals they have for their finances. He places an emphasis on the value of diversification and guides readers through the process of successfully spreading their investments over a variety of asset types in order to reduce risk. Bogle emphasizes the significance of tailoring one's investment strategy to one's own personal risk tolerance and financial objectives. He encourages readers to evaluate their degree of risk tolerance and make adjustments to their financial decisions accordingly. Investors are able to construct a portfolio that is tailored to their own circumstances and maximizes the possibility for long-term growth by ensuring that their investments are in line with their level of comfort with risk and their financial goals. Chapter 5. Stay the Course. In the concluding chapter, Chapter 5, the necessity of maintaining one's course of action is emphasized, especially while facing challenging circumstances. Bogle encourages investors to avoid giving in to impulses to react to swings in the market that are only short-term. He emphasizes the need of maintaining a constant approach to investment techniques, pointing out that a disciplined and consistent investment approach can produce large rewards over the course of time. Bogle also emphasizes the significance of having a resilient mindset in the face of adversities and volatile market conditions. Investors may successfully handle the ups and downs of the market with confidence if they keep a level head and demonstrate resilience when the market is volatile. This book serves as a helpful reminder that, in order to achieve monetary success, one must maintain one's dedication, avoid emotional reactions, and concentrate on the far future. Stay focused on your long-term investment plan and resist the urge to make emotional decisions. Investors are able to avoid being persuaded by short-term market volatility and the temptation to make rash decisions based on their emotions if they keep a long-term perspective and resist the need to act on impulse. Bogle points out the negative repercussions that can occur when investors make decisions based on their emotions. These decisions frequently result in investors purchasing high and selling low, which eventually impedes their ability to achieve long-term success. And with that, I present to you the most important takeaways from The Little Book on Common Sense Investing. You may launch on a journey toward financial security and a brighter future with the time-tested advice of Bogle by your side. Unlock your investing potential. Remember, investing is a journey, and this book will be your trusty guide along the way. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates if you would like to see further book recommendations similar to this one. Leave a comment below if you have a proposal for a genre or book that we should talk about in the video we're going to make.